Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to build a habit. I know there are thousands of videos available on YouTube and they will tell you just pick one small habit like waking up early and then do it continuously for 21 days, and if you can do it successfully then you will be able to build a habit. Believe me, I have tried all those methods and they never worked for me, and many people are telling me in the comment section that they are not consistent in anything. They just practice meditation for 2-3 days and then they quit it. So they are not consistent in anything. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you a complete method which will help you in building any habit. So please watch the whole video and please subscribe to my channel. Now there are many steps involved in this method, so it will be great if you can just write down everything that I tell you. Otherwise you can watch this video again and again. But before I tell you the method, there is one thing you need to understand about the habits, that habits decide what your life is and what your life is going to be in the future. And it takes a lot of efforts to develop a habit or to break a bad habit. So you have to be very serious about habits if you want to change your life. Now let's move on to the topic, how to build a habit. So the first thing that you need if you want to build some new habits is either a notebook like this or a notepad like this. Believe me, these things will help you a lot in building new habits. Today I will tell you exactly how to use a notebook or a notepad to develop new habits. So the first thing that you need is a notebook or a notepad. Now the second thing that you have to do is to keep the first few pages, 5 to 10 pages reserved, and on those 5 to 10 pages write down all the habits that you want to develop in your life. Just write down in one single line the name of the habit, like waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning, drinking 8 glasses of water, exercising for 1 hour, or meditating for 1 hour. Just write down the habit in one single line. So on every page you will be able to write 25 to 30 habits. So the first 5 to 10 pages will be for all the habits that you want to develop in your life. Now step number 3. After you have written down all the habits that you want to develop in your life, choose the most easy and most simple habit out of all the habits that you have written. Like one simple habit that I can tell you is drinking a lot of water after waking up. Drinking 1 liter of water after waking up is the most simple and most powerful habit that you can develop. It doesn't matter whether you wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning or you wake up at 10 a.m. in the morning. You just have to drink a lot of water after waking up. So this is how you have to decide which is the most easy and most simple habit that you can develop out of all the habits that you have written. And there are few habits which you should never try to develop in the beginning, like waking up early. Waking up early is one of the most difficult habit that you can develop. Another difficult habit is eating only healthy food or exercising or meditating for more than 1 hour a day. These habits are very difficult for you, especially if you have never tried to develop habits in your life. Now step number 4, after you have successfully decided the habit that you want to develop, for example, you have decided that you will read books for 30 minutes every day, start practicing the habit and start writing about it every day on a notepad or a notebook. Write every day your experience of that habit. Was it easy or difficult? Have you achieved your daily target or not? Was it interesting or not? If you cannot practice the habit on a certain day, write down all the reasons of not doing it. If you have decided that you will read books for 30 minutes, but you could read the books just for 15 minutes, then write down all the reasons of not achieving your daily target. This is the only possible way to stay connected with the habit. Otherwise, you will just forget about the habit after 4-5 days of doing it. This is why writing about the habit is as important as practicing the habit itself. I know I'm telling you a very difficult method of building habit, but in my personal opinion, this is the only way possible to make a habit permanent. Now for how long you have to keep on doing this? See, it varies from person to person, but in my personal opinion, if you can practice a habit without facing any difficulties continuously for 15 days, then in my opinion, you have successfully built a habit. But if you feel any kind of difficulty, if you feel any kind of inner resistance, then it means the habit is not permanent yet and you have to keep on repeating this exercise for few more days. So this was all about my method of developing a habit, and there are few more important things that I want to tell you. Number 1 is pick just one habit at a time, and when you have successfully built that habit, then only move on to another habit. Don't try to build 2 or more habits at the same time, because you will not be able to do that. And the second thing is, don't expect too much in the beginning, because everything takes time, and it is through practicing a habit for few weeks or months you are going to see some results. So do not expect too much in the beginning. So this was all that I wanted to share with you. If you have any doubt, then you can always ask me in the comment section below. This was all about my method of developing good habits. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.